everybody, welcome to Crazy Lady Friday. I'm gonna try it with these shoes. My girlfriend and she came out for a workshop and we did it. She brought a pair of shoes to do and they turned out so good. So I want to try it, but this time I've got some crazy colors, fluorescent paints, and I'm gonna try and do this purse. I don't know if that's gonna work. We're gonna try. And also, I got these shoes that I think fit me because I want to see if I do this, can I actually wear them? Not that I'd wear these colors, but at least I'll know. Like, I'm going to paint them, let them dry, put a coat of resin on them, and then try wearing them and to see if they crack in that. Because if they don't, if this works, it could be pretty cool. So I made 3 cups, one for each shoe and one for the purse. Don't know if I have enough or not, and I just like a dirty cup, you know, pour. So I taped the inside of the shoes to try and save them a little bit, but we'll see. We should be able to clean them up if it doesn't work, if I get it messy, which I inevitably will. So I'm gonna start back here. I don't care if it goes on the heels because they're the same thing anyway. I don't know what I'm going to do with the buckles and the straps, but anyway, here goes. Here goes. I'm going to start back here. And hopefully I have enough paint to go all the way around. Ugh. I'm trying not to pour it on the inside of the shoe. I'm just trying to get it along the edge. Wow, I just love this. That is so cool. I'll have to come back and get those little, gotta make sure, I don't know if I am gonna have enough. Let's go around the front. Go that, do that. Do I have enough for it to go all the way to the toe? Kind of don't want to wreck the pattern. Look at that. Come on, go all the way. Maybe I should just leave the toe. No, I need to put some more there. Come on, go all the way. I kind of wanted some pink on the toes. Okay. Let's go around. All the way around. I didn't get the back before. Still don't have enough on the front. I think I'm gonna have enough paint, but I might have to. Ooh. Okay, I gotta do this again. Ooh. Ooh. Bit more there. So far I haven't got any inside the shoe. I don't know what to do with the straps. I think I need to paint them. Getting low on paint. I gotta get the heel. That looks good. Okay, I'm gonna need to do another swath at the front. Come on, get the toes. There we go. I wanted more pink on the toes, but I can't just pour straight pink. What's in there? What's in the cup? Let's do one more. You know what I can do is I can, oh, that's kind of cool. I can dip, here's a bit of pink. I can dip the straps. Is that heel covered? I can't tell. Yeah, it's covered, it's just black. So I'm gonna dip the straps. Whoa. Oh yeah, that works. Oh yeah, baby, that works. See that? Awesome. Okay, so now I'm just going to check. I think I need to, I'm not going to pour more on there. I'm just going to tap those little things that I missed. Okay. It's sticking to the shoes. The paint is sticking. Okay, I'm going to torch it a bit. I see a few bubbles. Good. Now what do I do with it? Did I get it all? Oh, there's a spot. That's got it. Whoa, okay. So I'm just going to, I guess, just set it down. It should work. Get that strap there. And let's see what it does. Okay, let's try the other one. So that was the right amount of paint. That worked pretty good. I'm gonna take this one, has a little bit less paint, so I think I'm gonna need more for the purse. Okay, so we started at the back. I think I'll pour a little bit more first time through, so I don't have to go over it. I wonder if it's easier if I put it down. Here we go, all the way around. A little bit on the inside. Okay. More on the toe this time. I don't want to have to go over it. Wow. Okay. No place to hold on to it. Oh. Ooh. Ah. How did I hold it the last time? I know, maybe, not by the heel. Okay, here goes. Look at all that. Okay, let's get the heel. Oh, I poured all these cups the same, but come, that's so different. The heel, oops. Oops, a little mist up here. How do we look? Oops, oh my goodness. Let's go around here again. No, I still have to do another one on the front. I don't like that that little squiggly, but that's okay. We're gonna let it do whatever it wants to do. Actually, now it looks more like the other one. Come on, let's go all the way to the end there. What's that? Cool. Got that. Okay, so now let's just tap that a bit. Mix it up a little. And now I'm going to dip the strap. Ooh, I missed a bit. Oh, but it looks so nice. Okay, hopefully I get it to cover. I don't want to re-dip it because it looks so cool. Look at that. That looks so neat. What did I do on the other side with that one? Okay. I gotta get that little bit there. Okay. Did I get it all? Oh, that dripped down there. Oh well. Ooh. That's okay. I can clean up the inside of the shoe. I don't like that toe though. I don't like the toe on that one. I made a drip on it. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. I'm doing it. I can't see what I'm doing. Yeah. There, that's better. That's better. That's better. Now I don't want this to drip. Okay, so that's that one. Put it down. Okay, pretty awesome. Okay, the purse. I just want, like, there's a big flap on it. I'm gonna try not to paint that. I just kind of want to paint this back panel and that front panel. Ooh. And see how that goes. So I'm just gonna, ooh, I wonder if I should just, no, I was gonna say, I wonder if I should just dip it. What are my options here? No, I'm gonna do the same thing. It's gonna be harder to cover it all though, because it's a big surface, but let's try. Ooh. I don't know if this is going to work. I think I might have to dip it. Oh, I don't know. It's pouring down. Maybe what I'll do is dip the front because it's nice and flat. So I got to get under there. Ah! Do that. Pour a big swath down there. Ooh. Pour some more there. Ooh, I'm running out of paint. Well, that's good, except when I put this strap down, it's going to wreck that. No, actually it won't. It's just hanging. So just, so I'm going to have to dip the front because I'm almost out of paint, but let's just do a little bit more here, cover it up. Okay, so I'm out of paint. I'm gonna have to cheat the rest of it. That's pretty cool. Oh, a little bit how I'm gonna, because I am gonna have to hang it somehow. Okay, so now I'm going to try and just dip the front. Ooh, is that gonna work? Is it gonna work? Wow, it does work, but I have to get, I don't want to get, already got some paint on the inside. What if I should just do the sides too? Okay. Yeah, I might as well do the sides. I'm gonna dip the sides too because they're half covered anyway. Ugh. I don't want it to be too muddy. I can't get that top part. I don't want mud. I don't want mud. Okay, there we go. Just get her. Just get her done. Okay, where's a good spot? Ugh. Get in there. Okay, that's all right. Now what am I going to do with it? How am I going to... Oh, the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to just... I can just dip the bottom. Might as well. Yep, that worked. That worked. Okay, so now I got to figure out where I'm going to put this to dry. I'm going to have to hang it on something. Anyway, so I will figure that out and let it sit for a minute, and then I'll do a close-up. And here they are. It looks pretty cool. Look at that. Neat. Not sure. Well, Halloween's coming up. I can wear those at Halloween. There's a purse. I rigged up a contraption to hang a broom handle, a couple of easels. So we'll see what this does. Anyway, there we go. So maybe you guys can use this and try this on some nice colors. It's just an old pair of shoes I got in a purse I got at the dollar store on sale. No, not the dollar store. The Goodwill Value Village on sale. There you go.